I'm back. I'm here. I never left. I'm here. So, hello guys. You're welcome to my vlog today. Oh, I'm so blushy. I'm like Ify is 950 subscribers. If not for you, you that is watching me now, you are so special. You are. If not for you, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't. Who am I talking to? Who am I? It's just you that is watching me now. Kudos to you. High five to you. We are going there. We are getting there. We are getting there. We are getting there. Thank you. Thank you so much, my subscribers. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your love. I don't just want to start mentioning names, because if you ask me to mention name, the first name that will be in my lips is the voice every raises love. Comment below if you know that voice every raises love, and you got to connect with that voice. When I see your comments, let me know. It's a quiz now. That voice every raises love, and when you get the answer, please go straight and subscribe to this channel. I just want to know if you know that voice every raises love. I don't want to start mentioning every other person as if one person is more important to the other. All of you are so amazing. All of you are so amazing. I love you all. From my heart, from my heart. So today I'm unboxing this from Amazon. I got this morning. I don't want to tell you what it is until we open it. Let's open it together. It's for us, so we open it together. Okay. It's not food. It's not. There are a lot of papers in it. This is just what it is. This is it. Okay. Another closing. When it comes to, does this happen to you? When you have a package to open, I don't just have that patience. When I see it's all wrapped in some kind of way, I'm like, oh, I don't want to go through this. That is my daughter's iPad making noise, because I'm like, my name is in every gadget in this house. The television, my daughter's iPad, my daughter's phone, my husband's phone. My name is in everything, and every gadget always are like giving me notification, especially this my daughter iPad. Sometimes my husband say, all this noise everywhere. My ear is blocked. What is falling? A remote. A remote. A picture of what we are getting. It's a tripod. Okay? It's a tripod. This is the phone holder. Before I get this tripod, oh my, see? Oh my, I was searching Amazon like crazy. I was like, search this, search that. I want the best, but not in big price. You understand? You wanna go, man? As that evil woman, I want the best at the cheap price. So I was comparing. See this, see that. Let me see the one the price is okay. Let me see the one that is more good and more quality. Look at it. Look at it here. I told you it's for us. So because I use it to make the video, I post to you. We need some, setup here. My tripod, one side, went down. So skills, I have to get something. I don't know how to use this, so I saw it. I've never used this style before. The one I'm using is here with my phone. This one is how many degrees? See how it's whining. I love this. I think I love this. No, I will soon break it. I'm good at this. So let's see how far it goes. Just like this. I thought it would open more than this. Wait, it's like your girl don't know how to open it. I see some locking things here. Look. I thought it has fallen. There is another additional leg here. Chireke. This one is sugarcane leg. Look at it. The thing is long. Really long. So I have to unbutton this. It's like button. Ooh, look at it. It's long, man. Nah, man. It's long. My man. Karim Favor. My man. See, this one is long. Mamma mia. Now I put Italian people on. Mamma mia. It's really long. Let's see. Oh, mama. This is long. But it's light. It's light also. The one I'm using for my ring light is more solid. My ring light is behind my camera. It's more solid. I think this is for it. It still have additional one here. Oh. Just look at it. I think I'm in love with this gadget. I don't know what else to say. I'm in love with this gadget. I don't know what else to say. This gadget is a very beautiful one. Oh, okay. After everything, I lock it back. Okay. This closing, after everything, I lock it back so it will stay. Now see. Oh, it's as solid as a rock now that I've pinned everything together. Wow. Your girl love this. I love this. I've not pinned other legs. Probably it's going to be going off. Okay, let me pin the other legs. Okay, to pin the other legs. 1, 2, 3. 3 pins. This I got in Amazon. It's nice. I've chopped this thing in my ring light and everything is shaking. Wow, see it. I'm sitting now. He's like above me. It's like this is the length it could go. And this, I don't know how this will go, but I think it will go like this in here for the foam. Let me screw it. I'm a technician, nothing can pass me. Okay now. See now. See. I didn't get my phone. Baby, please get me that phone there. So I tell my daughter to get me the phone so I could just fix it. You will see how it is when I put it. Okay, she's getting the phone. Thank you. Okay, I cut it before because my son was disturbing. This is the phone. I'm now going to put it here. Ooh. I don't know if this should go like this or it should be straight. I'm still saying, okay, then I have to turn it. Where is the holding point? Holding point. Okay. Wow, it's very nice, guys. Just look at. Wow, you can wind it any way you want. So nice. See it? You can wind it any way you want, but I think I'm not holding it well. That's why it's falling. There is something that is not being held in place. So you see it, and the setting is still up. This is the highest height. I didn't tie this place well. Probably this one is shaking. There's something I did not tie to well, probably. This one. Okay, it's set. Look at it. Very beautiful. I'm glad I got it. I'll show you the pictures. Look at the length. Ooh, I'm so glad I got it. Okay, I'm so glad I got this. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll put the pictures somewhere. Look, I'm so happy to get this. I have before, the one I have is black. It's not silver color, and it doesn't have this rotation thing. I'm glad I got this. I'm so happy. At least I will not put my phone on the table to make my videos again. I'm going to be with my phone focused to me. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know where I got it from and the exact product 8, leave me a comment below. This is from Amazon, and I can guide you to the shop on Amazon. Okay, that's my review on this unboxing. Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.